So today is my birthday and I thought that I couldn't get this gift without doing a little bit of an unboxing for TikTok. Maybe I'll put it on YouTube, who knows. But the wish list has lost a member because now I got my first orange bag. Let's unbox it together. Ta-da! Look at me go! I literally walked out the shop and I wanted to jump up and down, but like that would be embarrassing to do outside of Hermes. So, orange box. Now, if you know Hermes well, you'll know this box size is not going to be a Kelly and it's not going to be a Birkin because God can't afford that just yet. But you know you got to start somewhere. So my first Hermes bag is this one. I'm a big fan of the shoes. I've always been collecting my orans. I do have the bracelets. I have a few scarves, but I got lucky. Yesterday I went in, was umming and ahhing between 18 and 22, and this is what I decided on. I was in between two colors. I was unsure if I should go neutral or if I should go bright because I do love things that are kind of different. I very rarely go for a neutral bag, to be honest. I do love a bag that kind of says something a bit more. And once I saw this color, I just couldn't not get it. And it was in between Vert mangrove and gold. Now, gold is your statement. It's your perfect everyday, but Lulu's talking because she has something to say too about the goddamn Hermes bag. But the thing with the gold was everyone has it, number one, and they're not going to have this seasonal color next year, so why not get the Vert mangrove this year? Let's open her! I'm so excited! She's cute. She's a deep box. She's packed so nicely, and you best believe that when she is not on my arm, she is going to be in this box and in this bag. I need to order an insert for her because I do not want her to collapse. Are we ready? Deep breathe, deep breathe. Look how cute she is! Ta-da! This is my Hermes Picotin 18 in Vert mangrove, and I just think she's so stunning. She comes in gold hardware. I was thinking of getting the silver or palladium hardware. Lulu has a lot to say about the bag. But when I saw this in gold, apparently it doesn't even come in silver, so you know, you win some, you lose some. When I saw this in gold, got a little feet on, I just thought it was just so cute because in some lights it looks grey and in some lights it looks green. It's perfect. Be a video without Lulu involved because, you know, we love attention. And I am also now not in focus. That's a vibe. Ta-da! Isn't she cute? She's so pretty. She just has a little bit of bubble wrap in. And if I'm correct, she has a little lock inside. So I got my keys, and I got my lock. Sorry. She's purchased. She's done.